Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make and use Battlefield 4, Battlefield Hardline, Battlefield 3 emblems. So first you want to open up your browser and you're going to go to this website called it's called Battlelog. And this is just a website for all the Battlefield games. And I'm gonna sign in, and what you want to sign in with is the email and password that you used for your PlayStation or your Xbox or your PC account. So whatever you used for your Battlefield 4 account or Battlefield 3 account, that's what you're going to put in up here, and it'll bring up all your stats. So you want to click on your little thing right here, and then it will have this thing up here that says customize. You want to click on that, and it'll bring up this, and you'll click on emblem, and you just hit add, and you just make the emblem. So as you can see, I'm like terrible at making emblems, and somehow I have all these like crazy awesome emblems and stuff. I'll make another video on how to get these awesome emblems, because I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I could probably never make something like this. I mean, I'm terrible at emblem making, but yeah, I hope this helped you out, and stay tuned, and the next video will be on how to get awesome emblems. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.